Hi there! Welcome to my channel. My name is Lovely Bailoses, your online professional virtual assistant and social media manager at Love by Designs. So for today's session, let me walk you through to my online services. So, do you think you're the one whom I can assist you with my services with? If yes, please visit my website through the links below to schedule an appointment with me. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you'll be notified just in case I uploaded a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!